Do, does, did. Three common words when asking questions. Don't you know that these have only one common function? Hi, this is Renette. Welcome to Teaching Learning English. If you want to improve or brush up your English learning, then this channel is for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about my latest videos. Most of the time, you always ask a question. Especially when you start a conversation, you always say, "How are you?" For boyfriend-girlfriend relationship, one of the common questions is, "Do you love me?" All right. In English grammar, there are three common words that we use. These are do, does, and did. To make this more interesting and easy to understand, I want to make an analogy for our discussion. Let's imagine that the words do, does, and did are three beautiful women. I will call them Miss Do, Miss Does, and Miss Did. All right? Do you want to know their characteristics? Miss Do is always plural. That is, when your nouns are in plural form. Miss Does is always singular, that is for singular nouns, and Miss Did is always either singular and plural. For example, do you love me? You is plural. Generally, you is plural in form but singular in meaning, but it depends upon the context. For example, if I'm referring to you, one person, then that's singular. But if I say I want to thank you, the you being referred to many people, so that is plural, but it is still plural in form. Does he love you? The pronouns he, she, or name of the person or one person or thing, they are all singular. Did they love me? Did he or they love me? Of course, did can be used either singular or plural. Did you get it? Remember the characteristics of these amazing women. I'll tell you, if they only follow the one-man rule, they will experience forever. What? Oh, what happened to me? Why am I talking about love? Let's continue discussing. Even if they have different characteristics, they only have one role to play. They need to remember their present. Oh my, forget about your ex. I'm talking about the simple present form of the verb. Let's go back to the example. Does he love me? Do they love me? Did they love me? Or did he love me? What is your observation? The verb love is in the simple present form of the verb. Take note, students. Present, not past. When you use do, does, and did, your verb must always be in simple present form of the verb. But I noticed something about Miss Did. She sometimes uses past. That's why she has experienced a lot of emotional pain, like you. You sometimes use this question. Did she love me? Did you ever felt? Did he told me? You see, I reminded you to forget your past. Don't use the past tense. Use only the simple present tense. Let's try to use some WH questions. Let's use the verb give. We say, what does he give? What did they give? What did he or they give? Where? Where does he give? Where do they give? Where did he or they give? How does he give? How do they give? Or how did or they give? Have you noticed all verbs are in simple present tense? In general, the rule of the thumb, when you think of do, does, and did, remember to use the simple present form of the verb. Does forever exist? Yes, you just think of your present. There's forever in grammar. Only when your subject and verb agree each other. Happy learning! See you!